So I'm starting off my manicure with base coat. I'm applying white nail polish as base polish on my nails. On my ring fingernail, I'm stamping this pattern with light grey polish vertically at the right corner of my nail. Over grey pattern, I'm stamping a plant pattern with black stamping polish. Along with plant image, I'm going to stamp alphabets with number codes of stamping plate. At first, I have stamped B, which is the album name. Under album name, I have stamped 3 tiny arrows with help of Born Pretty Valentine stamping plate. I have took inspiration for this nail art from the music video and the lyrics of the song Life Goes On. On my middle nail, I have stamped Life Goes On again with the number codes of stamping plate, and I did a happy little accident with the word does. Yeah, enjoy my accident. Along with Life Goes On, I have stamped a purple heart and again 2 tiny arrows. On my thumb, I have stamped 2 big arrows in upside down position, album name, a purple heart and the word love. Now I'm finishing off my manicure with glossy top coat to make my manicure long lasting, and here is the final look of my manicure. Now let me tell you from where and how I took inspiration for this nail art. On my ring fingernail, I have added a plant to resemble forest and arrows which are going on both sides which resemble echo. Same as the lyrics like an echo in the forest. On my middle nail, I have wrote song name arrows to resemble arrow in the blue sky, but I have forgot to add it clouds. Yeah, I know I'm stupid. I have also added a purple heart. Not one, actually I have added 2 purple heart because I purple you BTS, I purple you boys. So that's all about my today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to give this video thumbs up if you liked my work and subscribe to my YouTube channel to never miss any upload. See you in my next video. Happy New Year!